Waterloo Region is now expanding eligibility for measles vaccines as the number of cases and potential exposure sites climbs. CTV's Krista Simpson joins us now with the details. Krista.
Colton, Ontario's Ministry of Health has changed measles vaccine eligibility guidelines for areas that are seeing increased transmission and community exposures. That list now includes Waterloo Region. Infants who are as young as 6 months old can now have a measles shot. Typically in Ontario, the first vaccine is administered after a child's first birthday. Also, children who are age 1 to 4 can now have a second dose of the measles vaccine as soon as possible. Typically, that shot is given after age 4. And adults born on or after 1970 can get a second measles shot if they have not already had one.
People can see their primary care provider. And access vaccines that way. They can visit a walk-in clinic, and public health will also be hosting some clinics. And we're just in the process of finalizing those details. So that information around clinic dates, how to book an appointment, will be up on our website shortly.
The latest numbers from Public Health Ontario: 59 confirmed or possible cases of measles in Waterloo Region. The southwestern Ontario outbreak began back in October. The first case was reported in Waterloo Region back in March. The trajectory of this outbreak not surprising to Public Health.
The vast majority of the cases, locally and provincially, are affecting those who are not immunized against the virus. And so that is why we continue to recommend, and with this expanded vaccine eligibility, are hoping to have an opportunity to further increase the levels of protection.
As we reported earlier this week, 2 high schools in Kitchener were closed today due to measles exposures there. Eastwood Collegiate Institute was shut down to students on Thursday and Friday. St. Mary's High School was closed Friday, all so Public Health could do vaccine verifications.
Our teams are working really hard. We're working closely with the school boards to get that verification process completed to ensure that those who are protected are able to return to school, and those who are not are excluded for the required time period.
There's no word yet if either school will be open on Tuesday. St. Mary's says they'll update families of the plans on Monday. There's also a long list of new measles exposure sites from the past few days. It includes hospitals, grocery stores, and bus routes. You can find all the details about the locations and the days of times of concern over on our website, ctvnewskitchener.ca. Colton.
CTV's Krista Simpson reporting tonight. Thank you, Krista.